So we showed you before with the Borla Attack. This is after. Still got factory converters there and there. Then we took all those clamps out and put a sleeve, really nice clean sleeve. Then we did a 3" to 2.5 Y pipe and another sleeve instead of the Borla Attack right there, and left everything else the same. There and there. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And there's the Borla Attack muffler we took off. 2013 Ford F-150 5.0 XLT. Still got factory converters there and there. Then we did true duals, 2 1/4 all the way back into a special muffler, a Black Widow. We'll do it this way. Black Widow, dual in, dual out. We'll show you the description. If you guys want to purchase it, you'll see the link in the description. Then 2 1/4 tailpipes, mandrel bent all the way back there and there into 5" tips rolled right there and right there. It's gonna scream. Those Black Widows never disappoint. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Much better. So now it was 107, I think. Now what? Go ahead. 115. Wow, that's awesome. Go to back it up. Much better. Sound decibels, 113. It's at 113. Oh, that's perfect, dude. Sounds good at idle, too. Let you guys hear on the inside. So these guys came all the way from Atlanta to us. We really appreciate it. Yeah, but nothing beats straight pipe. Hope you guys like it. Yeah. Actually,